Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to set up your text messaging app for international travel. If you are traveling abroad, so at that time you want to use your text messaging app as normal, so you can follow this easy and simple method to do this. So on your phone, first you need to enable the Wi-Fi calling option. If you are using iPhone or if you are using Android, so both you can get the built-in option of Wi-Fi calling. So I am using my Android phone, so open the phone settings. In the phone settings, go to connection, and here you can get the option Wi-Fi calling. So just you need to enable the Wi-Fi calling for your SIM card, okay, like this. So remember one thing guys, if you are using the Wi-Fi calling, so it will drain your battery usage fast as usual, okay. So remember one thing. So after doing this guys, now you can try the next method. So before going to abroad, you need to activate the international roaming plan for your network, okay. So I am using Airtel network in my phone, so I will go to Airtel app in my phone, and here I will search the international roaming plan. You need to recharge with your international roaming plan. You can use the messaging app normally, okay. So here you need to move to the recharge plan like this. Enter your phone number, and from here you need to select the international roaming. Just tap on it. Here you can get the international roaming pack. As you can see guys, just select your roaming pack which you want to recharge. So different plan you will get. As you can see guys, select your choiceable plan and recharge it, okay. Before recharging guys, you need to read your plan detail, plan packs very carefully. Afterwards you need to recharge, okay. So this is the easy and very secure method to set up your text messaging app for international traveling, okay. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.